got millions of reasons.
Okay, so I've got the B-pillar, driver's side B-pillar trim. There's the part number. Hopefully that's in frame for anyone that wants it. We got this from Taylor. Fortunately, we had to wait for it from Japan, but it's alright, we're in no rush. So hopefully this will finally replace the big gap we've got on the driver's door. So that's the B-pillar trim there. So that should just fit over there, just like that. So what I'll do is I'll fit this. So this is where the B-pillar sits. So you've got these holes here, there, and then another one there. And they basically screw into the back of the B-pillar in these 3 screw holes here. And then you can see it just sits, it will sit on like that. But obviously this bottom piece will actually slide. It's hard to do it with holding the camera as well. But basically that will slide into this rubber seal, and it should look, yeah, you can see there, it's just like that. So that should slide into there on the bottom like that, and then obviously will fit up something like that. So yeah, we'll fit it, and then I'll do another update and give it a nice wipe down and a clean. Now it's got my grubby prints all over it. Just to show you as well, these are the screws that you want to be using. So these are the original B-pillar screws, and obviously you can tell they're a certain depth, and have this washer on there as well. So you want to make sure you use the right ones, otherwise if they're too long, they'll obviously feed through into the B-pillar itself and potentially crack it. So you want to make sure you're using the right size bolt, screws for this. Right, so that's the B-pillar installed. So just one thing that you want to, just try and focus there. One thing you want to make sure of is you want to make sure this seal all runs nice down here. You can see it's a bit of dirt there, but you just want to make sure that it overlaps this line basically. And then you'll see down here there's a bit of a gap, which is unfortunate. I'll zoom in. There you go. So you can see this sort of gap here. As I say, it's a bit unfortunate, but if I go around to the other side, you'll actually notice it's the same on there as well. So I'm not sure if that's how it came out of the factory. Could be 90s Honda standards. But either way, that matches the other side now, which is good. And then if I just show you inside how it mounts, just be careful with the door. So you'll see behind the door seal here. So we've got these screws here, which are the screws that I showed you in my hand. And basically you've got 3 screws there. Don't over tighten them. You don't need to be swinging off them. Just yeah, just make them tight so they don't come off. Make sure it's all straight. Of course. And then you've now got a B-pillar installed, so we've now got 2 B-pillars. So we're getting somewhere.